from the Northeast because I'm a liberal kind of guy. Usually no Democrat. Just something about them. But I know this great little restaurant. It's the Waffle House.
Okay, great. Bachelor number 2, same question.
Yes, repeat the question, please.
What is describe your favorite date. There it is.
Oh, man, just gonna bust them out there, I'll tell you that. Oh, let's see. We get together, whatever, we go to a favorite. We go to a restaurant, I think my favorite song, I like Big Butts, if you know what I mean.
See, that's the theme tonight.
I go deeper and deeper, if you know what I mean.
Alright, okay, yeah. Bachelor number 3. Describe your dream date. And by that I mean event. I guess I should have clarified that.
Oh gosh, Bachelor number 2 kind of said it all right there at the end. Because you know, if anyone likes to go deeper. Maybe. I'll be happy to examine you.
Oh, good.
I'm looking forward to it.
Same. Let's go on to the next round of questions. Alright, Bachelor number 1.
Jack.
Jack. If you were an exotic fruit, what kind of exotic fruit would you be?
An apple.
Very exotic.
They're delicious.
They are golden delicious. Yeah, okay. Bachelor number 2, same question. Exotic fruits.
I would to say either a banana or an apple. I believe me, I've examined a lot of apples, if you know what I mean. Believe me, coming in big as a house. Oh my God! They got all up to my shoulder one day. Don't get me started on that.
Okay, describe yourself as an exotic.
Well, I'd like to say a banana. Do you like bananas?
Starting to miss the harmony now. Okay. Final round of questions. Bachelor number 1.
Jack.
Jack. Describe a typical day in your life.
Well, usually in the morning, I eat waffles. And I'm kind of the all-the-year Christmas kind of guy. You know, Jesus in the manger, there, 3 wise men, and Jack.
Excellent. Number 2.
Yes.
Typical day in your life.
Oh, believe me, it gets really shitty. Wash my hands. A patient, wash my hands. A patient, wash my hands.
That's another 3, same question.
Well, I wake up and I got my tub of grease right next to the bed. And I pour that all over. And then I say hello to you. You are good.
Is it over?
Gotta get it on camera. You see, the right hand talks.
Whenever you're finished, let me know. Yeah. Oh, Vixen? All right, I guess you'll have to hang in there. Okay, bachelor number 2.
Yes.
You are a butt doctor. Yeah, I'm not into that. Sorry. Okay. Bachelor number 3 is trying to seduce me, and
I'm a bit of an ass.
Oh, you're a donkey!
Just gotta get it through the windmill.
Oh, that's a really tough hole.
There's a message in there.
Agents! Agents!
Oh.
So good to see you here in this hole.
It's the new talking paper.
So, there is a mission for you. It is a very important mission to meet all of your skills. So please apply yourselves to this mission. As you reach into your skill set, you must grab all of your courage because you're going to clean the toilet. Yes. Make sure that as you clean this fabulous toilet, you pay careful attention to the way that your fingers interact with its dynamite surface. So take care. And make sure that you discard this, as it will blow up in 10, 9, 8, 7.
Well, cleaning the toilet.
Yes.
It's a good thing I brought my deep pants with my gadget tools in it. I'm just gonna reach down in there and pull out a...
Klondike bar.
Well, okay, a Klondike bar. Because I know what I would do for one.
Ask politely.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna reach to my deep pockets and pull out a
Ice pick.
ice pick.
That's
Because everyone knows when you're cleaning toilets.
Well, you know what? I also had
Telescope.
a telescope hidden in my shoe. We can really see the stains with this.
Fantastic. And my other gadget that I just got the other day happens to be... a horseshoe!
Oh! Oh my!
So with my ice pick and horseshoe, I am now ready. Are you ready?
Thank you. I don't want to eat it all. All right, to the toilet! To the toilet! Those choreographic classes really paid off.
Oh, goodness.
There it is. Yep, there's definitely stains on that. That's disgusting. I'm just gonna open it carefully, because it might blow up. Ah! Ow!
Yep. Look at that. Horseshoe. Ringer.
Okay, I'm gonna do this like every man cleans the toilet. Hold this, okay?
Whoa, dude.
And all guys would get this joke.
Some of the ladies might too. True, Hamtramck after all.
Toilet's clean.
Fantastic. Wait.
What's the sick? What's the sick? Welcome to Theater Boy! Stamp! Oh my God, I can't believe I'm going to get the ring. I never did the ring before. I'm gonna run around and we're gonna be like, and then it's gonna waterfall and then it comes out. Can you show me where Astronaut is?
Sure.
Awesome. So let's go like this. We're gonna get like this. We're gonna come around.
Let's ride the biggest ride you have. What is it?
That would be the Magnum. It's been a long time, folks. No, wait, God, I can't go to the Magnum. Can you show me where the Magnum is? Let me go right now. Okay, ma'am, just let me go. Well, then that's not going.
Please don't hold and handle my arm anymore. Thank you. We're gonna ride it all the way to the top, and then we're gonna go down. Oh, and then it's gonna go back up. We're like, oh, then we're gonna go back up. It's gonna be so good.
Yes, ma'am, that's what's gonna happen. Okay.
Good luck. Good luck. Oh, there's no line. I love October.
This is odd. All right. So here at the Magnum, we have to. Yep, get right.
It's the seat and fasten the shoulder thing. I've never been happier to see titanium in my life.
Okay. Now we're going. I'm gonna hurt him.
Listen, I've been needing to talk to you about something.
You're buying me a car.
No! How could you think that? Seriously? Oh, good. No, it's not a car. It's never a car. Why do you always say that?
You commented on that Kia commercial. I thought maybe.
Oh, it's a nice car.
I know.
No, honey.
Okay.
No, this is something a bit more personal I think we need to talk about.
Oh.
You see, I've been noticing something.
Paint my nails? Yes.
Yes, you do paint your nails, and they are beautiful. Yes, they are, but no, that's not what I want to talk about at all. You have a lips.
I have bunions. I have bunions, Buster. Have you seen those nasty gangly troll feet you walk around on? Gross! Is that hair coming out of your toenail? Who does that?
You know my mother was a hobbit.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
We went into this marriage together, knowing full well about my background.
Yes. I like hobbits.
I
They're
hope
cute.
you do. I let you comb my feet.
Yes, it's really lovely.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yes, please. But only one of us can have them in this relationship. Just it's awkward.
It's awkward. It's like two nasty, gross, ugly trolls just canoodling. It's beautiful.
You know how I feel about trolls, honey. But please.
One did attack your mother.
I told you never to mention that.
I'm sorry.
The fringe and the goats and everything. It was just horrible.
I thought you were being sad.
We are.
Okay. Well, then I don't quite know what to do. I mean, I've been rolling around with these things for like 23 years.
A manicure! That's it! We will get manicures together! Oh, I'll go sad and needed therapy.
Oh, Mulan, you will make somebody a very happy husband one day.
Thank you, Daddy! But I want to be a warrior!
What?
I mean a pretty princess!
Oh, much lighter.
I got my lucky cricket here, and I'm gonna walk across the street blindfolded.
She must have got hit. That'd be awesome.
Oh, I'm gonna join the army. Great ancestors. I pray the dragon will show up. A dragon will
Hey,
Hey, no, stop it. Come, get up. Get up. No. Roar! I am the great dragon. Mulan, I shall help you become a warrior and make a man out of you. All right, Bobby. It's about time you became a man. What a man does is take care of his house. First household.
That's what a man does.
Yes.
I was gravely mistaken there. I gotta call my girlfriend. I'd take care of the house at all.
Well, Bobby, let's show you how to clean out them gutters.
Oh, okay. There
Right
they
there,
are.
yeah.
They're filthy.
Yeah.
Wow.
So what we're gonna do is get a ladder.
Oh, I got a ladder.
You got a ladder?
I got a ladder.
That is a very round ladder.
That's how they're making them these days.
Oh, extra sturdy?
Yeah.
Because it's all about that base. About that base.
Right.
The base has to be set on the ground.
What now, Dad?
Now we just climb up this ladder. And we have to reach in here, really reach in deep.
Right?
The ladder's not sturdy at all.
Sorry.
Real deep in here. Get that gunk out of there.
Whoa, 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 Dad, come on.
Well, Bobby, why don't you try climbing up in there?
Well, I was thinking, Dad, maybe what would be a better idea is if I were to go upstairs and then through the window of the house, I could get it from up above. And I'll show you. See, now I'm up above the gutter here. Now, all I need is a trowel. Oh, here's my trowel. There we go. I'm gonna get my trowel in there. There we go. Get it out there. Get it in there. Just get deep in there. There. How's this look, Dad?
Okay. Now, you're going to grab that side of the trowel.
Uh-huh.
And I'm just going to push it along the gutters.
Okay.
All right? Just like that. Just like that. Oh,
I feel myself becoming a man, Dad.
tell me since I married your mom, this has never happened. Thanks, Ryan. I owe you dinner.
Shimmer, 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 shimmer. Ah, I like my shimmery, shiny house. So good. Time to eat me some food. No. Oh, where are my hot pockets? Calm down. Okay. Order them online. They can get here today, right? There are no Hot Pockets online. That is amazing. Fine. I guess I have to get my super friends to help get me some Hot Pockets. Sorry I'm late. I couldn't have the breakfast I wanted. Thank God you're here. Yours is made of ants. I was all over the place. The honey was there. I tried to put on a Hot Pocket. It wasn't there. My arm was over there. The shiny's right there. We need more help with that. I can't stay focused. All that.
You need some more help?
Captain Chemistry, you're here.
Yes, I am.
He's a little annoying. Oh my gosh. We're out of Hot Pockets, I hear, huh?
Yeah.
Well,
It's a horrible thing. Come on. Back with the shiny.
oh,
Sorry I'm late.
that's all right, Mr. Tickle-A-Lot.
Come on. What's up with that? Come on.
You think this is first pay and I whip up some new Hot Pockets? Hold on.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go find some lead pockets and make them hot.
I would go help him because he needs help getting
You
deep.
said. make sure we have enough babies for everyone. You're going home tonight with someone.
Hey man, what's going on? So I heard you know Heisenberg, man. You got that blue stuff?
Oh, I got babies. I got blue and pink. Come on.
Sure I could sell one of these for something.
Yeah, whatever you do with it, I don't care. It's a baby party. What happens afterwards, I don't know.
Ding dong.
Hello.
Holden, we have a problem.
Yeah, you're walking slowly. Come on in. Party. We got babies.
That's great. We seem to have lost lateral control.
Oh,
We're kind of spiraling off
whoa.
into the infinity here.
No.
I've spiraled off a few times.
No, that's the master bedroom. You're fine. You're good.
Which direction is it to the International Space Station, by the way? Forward.
Up. Oh, watch out.
The physics!
I just hit the door. No.
A little more than kin and less than kind.
Well, glad you could make it. We got babies. It's a party.
My uncle's babies?
I don't know where I get them. I just throw the parties, all right?
A rat! No!
I haven't been stabbed this many times since I shot up last week.
Ass. Horror.
Yeah.
We have another problem, Holden.
Now, look, Mr. Astronaut, we don't have a problem. You have a problem, you crazy Wayne State student.
I guess I'll just go drown myself then. Flowers.
You were so overly dramatic. Terrible. And you?
Yeah, I found out you can also heal the wounds of the stab marks. Kind of holds it together when it dries out.
You sure do love your blow. Your cocaine. Your drugs. You sure do love bookers.
To be a father or not to be a father? That is the question. Whether it's nobler in my mind to take that baby, or leave it here and let it die.
Look, William. Come on, Mr. Shakespeare. You bard pretender, you.